Welcome back, everybody. Summertime's almost here, which means it's almost grilling season. We've had this old girl for, goodness, over a decade now, and she's a little worse for wear. And if you haven't looked recently at the price of grills, I recommend you don't do so if you have a weak ticker, because my goodness, are they expensive. So instead of spending a bunch of money on a brand new grill, I figured I'd just get some parts to rebuild this one and breathe some new life into it. Welcome back to Post 5 Productions. So we have a Char-Broil 5-burner grill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a, I don't know, broiler thing? I don't know, this is the broiler over here. We got an extra burner, but it's more like a, put a skillet over there or something. But anyways, you can tell she's a little worse for wear. The grates are all rusted and not in very good shape. Burners have holes in them that, they're not keeping up their end of the bargain anymore. And the bottom grease trap here, the grease tray ended up kind of rotting out, and she's kind of there with us in spirit. That's about it. So I bought a couple kits here from Amazon, and this is a new trap kit, the whole tray and grease trap here, as well as a second kit that comes with new igniters. Don't know if that's really necessary. I've been using a lighter on this for the past few years. 5 new burner rails, diffusers, and brand new grates that are in a lot better nick than the factory ones there. So anyway, let's break this down, tear this apart, and swap in the new ones. I want to try to prevent as much of this junk, rust, and old grease and stuff from falling down on my deck. So I'm going to try to clean as much of it out as I can. Remember, it's always important to use the proper tool for each job. Oh yeah. That's good. Get in there. Half the work's done already. There we go. That is a good scope. Looks like I might better have made this a priority to muck this stall a few more times over the past few years. Oh well. Add that to the 2025 to-do list. Well, I decided to half vacate the premises here, so it's pretty much just hanging on by a hope and a prayer over there. Go around to the backside, pull this out, and that should be pretty much it to just put the new one together and slide her in. Hopefully I bought the right kit. Okay. We got these here, which are for this. Got our tray, little particulate trap, and pieces here that go together. Quiet. And instructions. It gives us wing nuts, washers, little screws, Phillips screws, but an Allen wrench. Thanks, I guess. And our propane tank guard. It has to go on the left side. So let's put this together. Alright, so these just slide into the grease trap tray on either end. It has these little sticky pads. I don't know if I'm supposed to remove those or not, but I guess if I smell something funny, I'll know I should have. These come in here. And we break open our hardware with our completely unnecessary Allen. So you see, they included an Allen, but Phillips head screws. Anyway, pretty sure these come from the bottom up. Nope, from the top down. Oh yeah, wing nuts, they would. So I'll set these somewhere where they fall out and I'll never find them. Sure. These go through here with a washer. I'm not going to snug these down until I slide the tray into the grill to make sure. Okay, well, how much more stuff can fall? Moses. So I'm not going to snug these all down yet. Just going to get them kind of finger tight until I can slide this in the grill and see what width it needs to be. Okay, well, let's try your brother here. This is the side for the propane guard. So this is an added heat deflector. So when it sits in there, it's an added heat guard for your propane tank. It's going to sit right underneath it. Well, they only gave me 2 bolts for this. That ain't right. 2 bolts and 4 wing nuts. One of these things is not like the other. And no more washers. That's cool. We'll kitty corner it. Thanks for shortchanging me on the bolts, China. Oh well, probably would have had to pay extra with the tariffs. Oh well. Anyway, alright, this is half put together now. Well, it's all put together, but not snug down. So let's go slide it in and see how skinny we got to make it. Okay. looks like she needs to be all the way out. Yeah. Alright, so fully extended here on the screws and the slots. I'll grab my Phillips, non-Allen, and snug these down quick. Probably should be wearing gloves. Any of you tin knockers out there know that having one of these edges slide down your finger ain't the best feeling in the world. Alright. Yeah, okay, she's out all the way. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, stop. Oh, goodness. In there. That all the way? Ah, okay. There we go. There we go. Got these little, got these little levers here, right there. So she kind of got one in the front, in the back, slid it over so she doesn't come back out, you know, towards us here. Whoop, almost forgot. I don't know if I'm going to hook up those igniters. I always use a lighter anyway to start my fire on my burners. Plus, I would have to take the whole front off, pull the knobs, unscrew a whole bunch of stuff. No. So I think I'm just going to put the burners in there and throw the grates on and probably call it good. I'll just hold on to the igniters. I don't know, maybe for some future project. We'll see. So we'll go topside and put those burner rails in, and I'll go get a tank that actually has some propane in it, fire it up, see if it works. Well, I just remembered that I have these. According to China, they're supposed to go, okay, get out of there, Shadow. They're supposed to go on top here. Instead of having 4 bolts, these are supposed to help cover up those slots. If I'm going to do it, I better do it right. So I'm going to pull a couple of those bolts out, throw these on there quick. And that'll give me the other 2 bolts necessary for the heat shield over the propane tank. So I guess China did mess up. Sorry. Much sturdier. So not only do those cover the slots, but those add extra rigidity. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty good thinking. Alright, so I really don't think I want to worry about those other 2 bolts on the heat shield because I use a bigger propane tank that won't fit underneath here anyway. So there's really no need in putting those in, I guess. But I got them if I ever want to put those in, which I won't. All right, time for the burners. Well, I don't know about you, but new stuff sure scares me. Just never had anything new in my life, and shiny stuff, I tend to kind of shy away from it. I tell you, if I was a fish, I'd never get caught. Boy, those are almost too pretty for me, but we're gonna use them. These are a little short, but should still get the job done. The kit did come with these bars, these little rails here that are supposed to connect each of the burners, but since these aren't going all the way over, I don't think I'm going to use them. I probably should. Maybe I can bend these out a little. Whoa, easy there. Maybe, maybe not. We'll give her a test. See how she goes. Alright, got all the burners in. Should be pushed in good. Got the propane tank hooked up. Got my lighter. Lighting. Hopefully there's propane in here. Let's see. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. There's a little flame there. Let's turn this one on. We be flaming. I could phrase that better. We have fire. Oh yeah. Awesome. Perfect. Almost forgot the diffusers. All right. Now for the pretty new grates. Oh, looky there. There you go, folks. You don't have to spend half a mortgage payment on a brand new grill. Just pick one up on Marketplace or Craigslist or wherever you side of the road. Get one for free, 25, 50 bucks, whatever, 100 bucks. This kit cost me all totaled with the pan and the burners and grate set about $130, $140 on Amazon, which I thought was a decent price, especially for brand new stainless hardware. So yeah, that's your hard-earned money. With the state of the economy, let's make every penny go as far as it will. So repurpose an old grill, find one, get one from a relative that's tossing one out, spend a couple bucks for a couple kits, and enjoy the summer. Until next time, y'all take care.